Hi, my friends. I'm just giving you a friendly reminder of how to access the ARC bookshelf. You'll have to sign on to your Clever, and you'll have to scroll down until you see the red icon with the rainbow colors and the brown background that says ARC bookshelf. You click on the ARC bookshelf, and it will load within your Clever. And then your reading levels are over to the left-hand side. If you are a 1Blue reader, you click on 1B, and there are many choices of books that your student can read at home. I do want you to encourage to make sure your student is reading at their level. I know sometimes students want to read, if you're a 1B reader, I know sometimes kids want to read a black book. But just know that students honestly should not be going too much higher than their reading level. They should mostly stay on their reading level. So if you're a 1B or 1Blue reader, you should be staying on your level. If you would like a little bit of a more challenging book, you can encourage your student to go up to just one level to 2B. But if they're in the blue level, they should be staying within the blue levels. If you're red, you should be staying within the red levels. And then if you're white, you should be staying in the white level as well. So that's how you get on and access books from the ARC bookshelf.